Elisa's hydraulics can be controlled remotely using two hands. To activate, go to Settings and select the control toggle to the right position. Return to the main page and select Garage. Select Connect and then Remote Mode. Choose the desired speed and it's ready. Hydraulic control is activated using both joysticks. Raise the boom using the left arrow on the right joystick. Tilt the attachment downwards using the left arrow on the left joystick. Tilt the attachment upwards using the right arrow on the left joystick. Lower the boom using the right arrow on the right joystick.